Good morning, dear friends. Welcome. The new chapter is Marxism. In this video, we'll do true false MCQs and fill in the blanks from the chapter Marxism. Let us begin. The first question is Karl Marx is considered the father of scientific socialism. True. For true, we will write T. Karl Marx was a utopianist, idealist utopianist. False. He was a scientific socialist. Plato was the author of Das Kapital. False. Plato is not the writer of Das Kapital. It is Karl Marx. So it is false. Next, Karl Marx was born in Jew religion. It is true. Next question is Karl Marx was the supporter of capitalism. False. He was the supporter of Marxism. He's known as the father of scientific socialism also. So he was totally against of it. Next, Marxism believes in the establishment of classless society. It is true. राज रहित सोसाइटी की गल करते हैं, क्लास रहित, वर्ग रहित ते राज रहित, राइट. सो क्लासलेस सोसाइटी, इट इज ट्रू. नेक्स्ट, Marxism believes in class division. It is true. They say there are two classes, haves and have nots, right. एक जिन्हें कोल पैसा है, जिन्हें कोल नहीं है, मजदूर वर्ग ते मालिक वर्ग. Question number 8. Marxism is for the establishment of socialistic order by abolishing capitalism. Yes, it is true. Marx एक क्लास रहित, वर्ग रहित सोसाइटी की गल करते हैं. He wants to establish a socialistic order, right, without any sort of division, and he wants to abolish capitalism. So true. Question number 9. Marxists believe in constitutional methods. No. False. They believe in revolutionary methods. ਇਸੇ ਲਈ ਰਸ਼ੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕ੍ਰਾਂਤੀ ਆਈ ਤੇ ਚੀਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕ੍ਰਾਂਤੀ ਆਈ, ਰਾਈਟ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀ ਮੂਵ ਟੂ Marxists want to establish stateless society. Yes, it is true. Next question is, according to Marxists, the state was advancing towards self-destruction. This is also true. ਮਾਰਕਸਵਾਦੀ ਮੰਨਦੇ ਹਨ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਬਰਬਾਦ, ਸਟੇਟ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਬਰਬਾਦ ਕਰਨ ਵੱਲ ਵੱਧ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ, Marxists are in favor of giving religious freedom. Actually, it is true. People may believe whatever they want, but Marxism doesn't believe in religion, right? Or negatively, if we talk about it, then they never supported religion. So religious freedom is a modern concept, keep in mind. And Marx himself had left his religion. Marxists are against private sector. It is true. Marxists are in favor of, Marxists are against private sector. They are in favor of public sector. Keep in mind. Question number 14. According to Marxists, the dictatorship of proletariat is a transitional phase. Yes, it is true. ਇੱਕ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਜੀਸ਼ਨਲ ਫੇਜ਼ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਜ਼ਦੂਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਤਾਨਾਸ਼ਾਹੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਲੋਲੀ ਇਹ ਫੇਜ਼ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਫਿਰ ਰਾਜ ਰਹਿਤ, ਸਟੇਟਲੈਸ ਐਂਡ वो डिवीज़न लेस सोसाइटी हो जाएगी. देयर विल बी नो डिवीज़न, नो स्टेट, राइट. वर्ग रहित, राज रहित सोसाइटी हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट है, अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्क्सिस्ट द स्टेट इज अ नेचुरल इंस्टीट्यूशन. ए फॉल्स है, स्टेट नेचुरल इंस्टीट्यूशन नहीं है। ए ਬਣਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ ਇੰਸਟੀਟਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ। ਮਾਰਕਸ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਨ ਕਿ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਫਾਇਦੇ ਲਈ ਸਟੇਟ ਨੂੰ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਜਦੋਂ ਕ੍ਰਾਂਤੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਔਰ ट्रांजिशनल फेज पास हो जाएगा तो स्टेट खत्म हो जाएगा, मार्क्स का कहना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, मार्क अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्क्सिस्ट द स्टेट इज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ एवोल्यूशन। तो ये भी फॉल्स है, इवॉल्व ही नहीं हुआ, लोगों ने बनाया है, अपने फायदे लिए बनाया है। 17, Marxists are in favor of establishment of classless and stateless society. Yes, it is true. Classless, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਡਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਕਲਾਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਔਰ ਸਟੇਟ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਦੇ ਫੇਵਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਮਾਰਕਸ। ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਨੰਬਰ 18, ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਮਾਰਕਸਿਸਟ ਦ ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਚੇਂਜ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਆਫ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨਸ। ਯੈਸ, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਉਹ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਦਾ ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਚੇਂਜ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਸੋ ਦ ਆਂਸਰ ਇਜ਼ ਟਰੂ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, मार्क्सिज्म लैक्स ओरिजिनैलिटी। ये भी ट्रू है, मार्क्स ने पुराने विद्वानों तो हीगल तो ਲਈ ਸੀ। और अगर सामवाद की गल करते हैं तो सामवाद इज़ वेरी ओल्ड, प्लेटो के टाइम तो ये आ रहा है। कम्युनिज्म ऑफ वाइव्स की गल पढ़ते हैं आप मार्क्स जो आप प्लेटो में पढ़ते हैं तो right। So next, moving to the 20th question, according to Marxists the state is an institution of public welfare। Yes, state is an institution of public welfare। ये false है, not true। ये उदारवादी मानते हैं कि state is an institution of public welfare। Marxists believe that it is an instrument of operation, an institution of operation of the people, an instrument of operation of the people, यानी कि शोषण का साधन है। चलो मूव करते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे। नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर MCQs, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। लेट्स बिगिन। हु इज द फादर ऑफ साइंटिफिक सोशलिज्म? कार्ल मार्क्स। साइंटिफिक सोशलिज्म प्लेटो नहीं, स्टालिन ते लेनिन ए फॉलोअर ने मार्क्स दे, कीप इन माइंड। और प्लेटो ए अतोपियन सोशलिस्ट सामवाद दे प्रवर्तक ने, या फिर ही ऑल्सो टॉक्स ऑफ कम्युनिज्म बट इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म एंड वॉज नेवर साइंटिफिक। सो साइंटिफिक सोशलिज्म द फादर कौन ने? कार्ल मार्क्स, राइट। लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ मैनिफेस्टो ऑफ the Communist Party? So the author is Karl Marx। You should remember that some name of the book of Karl Marx are those books are Manifesto of Communist Party, Critique of Political Economy, Inaugural Address, Das Kapital, Value, Price, Profit। So these books, few books of Karl Marx you must remember, you must learn by heart। In which country Karl Marx was born? We know he was born in Germany, 5th May 1818, right? So Karl Marx was born in the year 1880, as I said in the previous question, right? Move to the next question. There is no ignoring a man, there is no ignoring a man whose thought was divided, whose thought has divided the world into two hostile camps। ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਉਸ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਇਗਨੋਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਜਿਸ ਨੇ ਪੂਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਨੂੰ ਦੋ ਵਿਰੋਧੀ ਕੈਂਪਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੰਡ ਦਿੱਤਾ। Who said this? किसने ये गल कही? ये गल कही है मैक्सी ने। Who said this? Maxi। We cannot ignore a person who has divided the world into two hostile camps, right? तो मैक्सी दा है आंसर है साडा A। Next question is, they conjured up visions of beautiful roses but preparing no soils for the rose trees left them to feed merely on beauty। Whose statement is this? किसने ये गल कही है? Right? Question number 6, the answer है C, C.L. वाइपर। C.L. वाइपर ने ये गल कही है मार्क्स विचारधारा दे कॉन्टेक्स्ट से। According to C.L. वाइपर, They conjured up visions of beautiful roses, but preparing no soil for the rose tree left them to feed merely on beauty. Right? So the answer is C. CL Viper. Then question number 7. Which of the following was a utopian socialist? We know Karl Marx is scientific socialist, Frederick his friend, and Lenin his follower. So answer is C. Saint Simon. Keep in mind, answer of 7 question is C. Saint Simon. Which of the following was not an utopian? We know that Karl Marx is a father of scientific socialism. So answer should be this. Charles Fourier, Saint Simon, and Plato, they are utopian socialist. Question number 9. Which of the following is not Marxist principle? It means 3 are and 1 is not. Faith in dialectic materialism, it is scientific, it is Marxist principle. Establishment of classless and stateless society, it is also Marxist principle. Theory of surplus value, it is also the Marxist principle. The prominence of private sector, it is not. So our answer is D. Question number 9, the answer is D. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following is Marxist principle? It means only 1 is Marxist principle and 3 are not. Faith in constitutional method, this is not. State is a natural institution, not. Spread of capitalism, not. So one party rule. In China and other countries we see where Marxism is there, there is one party rule. Next question is, all social, political, and intellectual relations, all religious and legal system, all theoretical outlooks which emerge in the course of history are derived from the material condition of life. Whose statement is this? This is the statement of Karl Marx. Keep in mind, this is the statement of Karl Marx. I repeat it, all social, political, and intellectual relations, all religious and legal system, all theoretical outlooks which emerge in the course of history are derived from the materialistic condition. मटीरियल कंडीशन ही ये सारी चीज़ों को कंडीशन करता है या पैदा करता है या उत्पन्न करता है. So these were MCQs. Let's move to the next segment, that is fill in the blank segment. And the first question is, Dash was the father of scientific socialism. And अभी तक तो पता लग गया होगा, Karl Marx. Karl Marx was born in 1818 5 में. तो यहाँ पे आएगा 1818, 5 मई 1818 को पैदा हुए थे, तो आप यहाँ पे आंसर होगा 1818. Author of Das Kapital is Karl Marx. Karl Marx was given economic help by his friend Frederick Engels. So here will fill Frederick Engels. Right? Next, move to the Karl Marx. Died in which year? He died in 1883. Next question is, Karl Marx borrowed the idea of dialectic materialism from a German writer named Hegel. Right? Hegel. Friedrich Hegel, his name is, or you will write Hegel only is also sufficient. Hegel. In university, he was Hegelian. He had joined a society, Hegelian society also. So keep in mind. Next question is, Marxists believe in the dash of the state. मार्क्सिस्ट स्टेट के खत्म होने में विश्वास रखते हैं. विदरिंग अवे ऑफ द स्टेट, बिलीव इन विदरिंग अवे ऑफ द स्टेट. विदर होता है खत्म हो जाना, विदरिंग अवे, जो अपने आप खत्म हो जाता है उसको विदर कहते हैं. विदरिंग अवे of the state. Marxists believe in withering away of the states. Next question is, according to Marxists, the dictatorship of proletariat, यानी कि मजदूरों का तानाशाही. Proletariat is a phase. What kind of phase is that? Transitional phase. Transitional को हम temporary भी कहते हैं, right? Temporary phase, right, or transitional phase. So the chapter ends here. We have completed all kind of small questions. We see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.